Human resource planning is the process companies use to ensure they have the right people in the right roles at the right time. At its core, this is a strategic exercise. It is about matching your business goals with your current and future workforce needs. For most businesses, people are the biggest expense, making it vital to manage that investment carefully through proper planning. The process involves 4 main steps, moving from assessing what you have today to planning for the business growth you expect tomorrow. While hiring is just filling an open seat, planning is about aligning your team with the company's long-term vision. A gap analysis visualizes the difference between your current capacity and the talent required to meet your upcoming business objectives. Ultimately, planning ensures that your team is an asset that fuels growth, rather than a bottleneck that slows down progress. Understanding these foundations helps you better grasp how businesses manage their most valuable resource. Thanks for watching.